With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, so we are given with a question which says, in order to measure period of simple pendulum using a stop clock, a student repeated the experiment for 10 times and noted down the time period for each experiment as 5.1, 5, 4.9, 5.1, 5, 4.9, 5.1, 5, 4.9 and 5 second. The correct way of expressing the result of the period is, so as we can see, the experiment is been repeated 10 times, so we can use over here the mean value of the time period. So we can write mean value, or we can say the average value. So we can say mean value of time period t, so that is equals to sum of all the readings, that is t1 plus t2 plus t3 and up to t10. Alright, in our case it is t10, so we are taking it as t10 divided by total number of reading, that is n we are supposing it is to be, and the value of n is 10 over here. Alright, so just we have to now do the average. So for average or mean, we put a bar over the value. So we can say t1, this value from here it's been given as, if we carefully analyze, 5.1 has been given as 3 times, 5 has been given as 3 times, and 4.9, 5 we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can say 3 into 5.1 plus 4 into 5.0 plus this can be written as 3 into 4.9. Alright, just repeated terms we have taken it once and we have multiplied the number of time it has repeated, divided by 10. So this comes out to be, we can write finally the result coming out to be, this can be written as 15.3 plus 20 plus, this can be written as, alright, dividing by 10. So therefore we can write final answer, that is t bar can be written as 50 divided by 10. So we can write this as 5.0 second. Why? Because as we can see in the question, we have been given with the individual readings with two significant figures. Alright, so we will get answer in terms of same significant figures. So here that's the reason we are taking it as 5.0, and this matches with option 2. So I hope you have understood the concept, and thank you for watching.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.